Hello kids, did you enjoy the video that we sent to you today? So we have celebrated Ashadi Ekadashi in the video. Pallavi teacher told you everything about how the Palki arrives, from where it arrives, and what all do they do, and whom we worship during Ashadi Ekadashi. Correct? Did you enjoy the video, children? Very good. Now I am going to teach you a very simple way to make a small and cute palki at home. So let's begin. Let's do this palki and show it to me tomorrow when you wear your traditional dress and take a picture. Okay? So let's begin. I will tell you the material that is needed and we will start. Let's begin. So let's see what all we are going to need to make the palki. I have a rectangular paper here. Okay, I have a colored and textured paper. You can use any paper that you have at home. I have two rectangular papers. I will be giving the sizes for this. Then we have a small piece of cardboard. We need Fevicol, scale, pencil, sketch pen, scissors, stapler, any colorful cloth that you have at home, and I have some kundan here for decoration, and I've made a small replica of the paduka. I will show you how to do that as well. Okay, so basically this is all that we're going to need to make the palki. So let's begin. Okay, so I have one paper here, rectangular, which is roughly 17 centimeters by 22 centimeters, and I've left a margin of 3 centimeters on all the sides. Okay, so the inner rectangle will be 11 by 16 centimeters. Okay, so I have this. Now what we have to do is, once you draw the lines, we are going to cut this line where I'm putting a cross. Then we will be cutting this line, then this, and this one. Okay, so we just have to cut this small line here. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it. Okay, up to the mark there. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to fold this paper on those lines that we have drawn, the margin lines. Yes, now we have to fold this part inside like this so that it goes inside. Okay, I will doing the same thing on all the sides to form a small box, as you can see here. So this is what we are going to make. Okay, so let's put Fevicol on these sides, the folded sides, and stick it. Okay, so I'm going to add Fevicol on all the sides, the 4 small squares that you can see. Okay, and we are going to stick it. So the first part is, I'm going to lift this flap and stick it here like this. Press it a little bit. Second one, third one, and the fourth one. Okay, so you see we have made the base for the palki here. It's a small rectangular box that I've made. See that you use a slightly thicker paper for this so that it holds well. Okay, so this is the box. The base of the palki is ready. Okay, see. All right, so now the base is ready. I'm going to take my small piece of cardboard which fits inside like this. Okay, and I'm going to wrap it in a cloth. So I'm just going to wrap my cardboard in this particular cloth. Okay, something like this. Okay, and I'm going to place it inside the palki. Okay, so this is the base for my palki. Now what we have to do is the other rectangle that we have cut. Okay, so the measurement of this rectangle is 26.5 by 11. We are going to need this to cover the palki. All right. Now before that, as you can see here, I have made another small box using the same technique that we've used for this box. Okay, I've made a small box here and I'm going to place it on top of this, on which I have taken a small piece of cardboard and I've wrapped it in aluminium foil. You can also use silver paper, and I have drawn the paduka on this particular cardboard on the profile. So I'm going to keep it here. Okay, so this is ready, that is the base of the palki is ready. You can also use a higher base for this. For example, this part can be slightly higher if you want, it's up to you. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take this out because we have to do a little more work in this. Okay, on both the sides of this smaller edges I'm going to make a hole. Okay, so I have a hole punch here. You can also use your regular punch, and I'm going to make a hole like this. Okay, I'm going to do it on the other side as well, roughly in the center like this. Okay, so my hole is ready. Now you can either take a big maybe a straw, or you can make a paper straw if you want. I'm going to use this bow and arrow, the remaining part of the arrow, as you can see, that I have at my house, and I'm going to put it through the hole. Okay, so I'm going to just put it through the hole like this, and it will come out from this side. Okay, like this. Okay, so this will be to hold the palki. Now this part is ready. Now we will, and this is going to be our cover like this. Okay, so for this again we will need to put a hole here. I'm going to punch a hole on both the sides. Okay, so I take this out. Now first we need to stick this. Okay, this is going to be the cover for the palki. Okay, so let's stick this. I'm going to put Fevicol here, and I'm going to put Fevicol on this side. Okay, and I'm going to stick it on both the edges. Okay, so like this. So match the hole properly, and the other side as well. It will take a while to press this firmly and hold it in place. Okay, so we have a palki structure ready. As you can see, a small box at the base and a cover, and we have made holes on both the sides of the box. Okay, so as you can see, our palki is nearly ready. I have put the cardboard piece which was covered in the cloth inside, and I have put in my stick, as you can see here. Okay, now I have another piece of cardboard here, and I've just covered it with a golden paper. I'm going to place it inside this. Okay, like this, and I'm going to place my paduka here on that particular golden covered board. Alright, so now the palki is ready. You can decorate this using maybe different kundans. Yes. So, you can just decorate your palki using kundan or different tiklis if you have. And your palki is ready. And once you decorate, your palki is ready. You can lift it up and you can carry it with you. So did you like the palki? Okay, do try it at home and send me pictures of whether you've liked it. Thank you for watching.